Karnataka budget is a loan budget, credit card budget. Credit card budget. Only credit, run the government. There is no money. This is the pauper government. Siddaramaiah last 3 years is running the government only borrowing the money, loan money. So no development. Last 3 years there is no development. This budget also there is no development. Only guarantee. That's all. This is, I think, people of Karnataka. So after this, 4,35,000 crores of money he borrowed the money. So almost all 45,000 every person in Karnataka, more than 43,000 rupees on his head loan, every citizen. So another 2 years it will be total our borrowing will go to 10 lakh rupees, 10 lakh crores. Means Siddaramaiah, compared to all the chief minister of Karnataka, more than 10 to 12 chief minister, he only crossed the all 10 to 12 CM. More than that, more than 56% total borrowing money of Karnataka, all the chief minister in Karnataka, Siddaramaiah only 56% he borrowed the money. Means Siddaramaiah only playing on the government on the loan only.